I officially hit 70.75 kg, meaning I've lost 31 kilos since December. I broke my 7 days fast a few days ago, and right now I'm doing a mix of intermittent and omad fasting to keep my body from gaining. Today I'm showing you what I eat to maintain this weight loss. So alright, let's talk about my daily routine, how I maintain this weight loss since December till now. So on the 22nd I started my water fasting, and it ended on the 28th of May, being 7 days. And on that 7th day I broke my fasting with cocoa powder drink, without sugar, without milk. I just made it watery so that it won't disturb my belly. Then by 6 p.m. the same 28th I drank another cocoa powder drink, but this time around I made it thicker so that it's going to be filling. And that was what I ate for the day. That was what I used in breaking my fast. Now fast forward to 29th of May. And on 29th of May I did 1 meal a day. The first thing I did was to take my water and also take my appetite suppressants to help me curb my hunger, so I won't be hungry during the daytime. And this is it. I took 2 capsules of it, and after the 2 capsules I waited till 6 p.m. and then I drank my cocoa drink without sugar, without milk, and I ate egg and veggie. This is what the food looks like here. And yesterday, being 30th of May, I also ate 1 meal a day. I ate with my family. We had rice and stew, and this is the plate I used in dishing my food. So this is what the food looks like. And I also took my cocoa drink, and I also took this in the morning to help curb my hunger. So every morning I take this once I'm doing my omad diet or 1 meal a day diet or intermittent fasting. Each fasting I switch, I always take this so that it's going to curb my hunger. So, and today being 31st of May, I took this in the morning after I drank my morning water and did everything. I took this in the morning to help curb my hunger. And by 6 p.m. I'm also going to eat whatsoever my family is having, and which is going to be rice also. And tomorrow I'm still going to take this in the morning and also eat whatever my family is having by 6 p.m. So throughout this week I am going to do 1 meal a day, which is omad diet, and that is what I've been doing since December till now. Each week I switch diets so that it's not going to be boring. So this week I might do egg diet, and next week I might do omad diet, and another week I might do intermittent fasting, and another week I do milk and apple fasting. So I switch that diet a lot so that I'm not going to get bored. Or sometimes I do dirty water fasting, taking my water with fruits or anything that contain high water, like your golden melon, like your pineapple, like your watermelon, cocoa drink or coffee. That is how I do dirty water fasting. And some week I do milk and apple fasting, taking milk and apple for the day. And that is how we've been rolling this diet from December till now, and it has helped me to lose 31 kilos. So please, before you try any extreme dieting or water fasting, consult your health practitioner or dietitian so you don't have a problem with it. Thank you for watching. Bye.